The brutal attack on activist Munalal Halwai in full camera glare at the Azad Maidan at Panaji has shocked the senses of every citizen of the state. A man addressing the media being attacked is not only a direct attack on the freedom of expression, but it is also a direct attack on the freedom of press, where they have been obstructed from recording the statement of the activist. This is a clear indication that the assailants are emboldened because of the complete breakdown of law and order situation under the present Chief Minister. The question arises, could such a brutal and fearless attack be ventured upon without the connivance of the law enforcing agencies? What in other terms they call without a setting? Trinamool Congress Party strongly condemns this assault of freedom of expression, especially on the freedom of press. We demand strict and exemplary action be taken against the assailants of these freedom of press and the freedom of expression.